Everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made Frankenstein's Fist. To make this fist, I used several scraps of green insulation foam and glued them together in the rough shape of a fist, using my fist as a reference. I then drew on the designs and various details with a pencil and used files and grits of sandpaper to carve away and create depth. I coated the hand in green glue to seal it and used gray paint as a primer. I finalized the hand with some green paint and a piece of cloth wrapped around the arm to represent a sleeve of a shirt. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.